Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. As you know, Figma has tons of plugins. Well, today we're going to have a look how we can add icons into our Figma designs. So without further ado, let us climb straight in. So the first thing we're going to do here is go up to this icon. It says resources. You're going to go into plugins and we are going to type in icon. Now, there should be a number of apps that come up on this search, okay? So the two that I have used before is Icons 8 and Iconify. Those are two pretty decent ones. However, you should take the time to use different apps or plugins to see which one works for you best. Let's click on Run. You can do the exact same with any one of these apps or these plugins. So what you'll see now is you'll have the option for icons, illustrations, as well as photos, but we're focusing on the icons today. You can go ahead and search for a specific icon that you're looking for, be it a flag or a check mark or an arrow, whatever the case may be. You can check it out. And then over here on the right-hand side, you can see that you will see it in a different format, right? You'll see all your categories here. So you can also go and look through different types of icons. You can filter these out so you can choose whichever sort of icons you want. And then the next option is the size or the resolution. Now, of course, depending on what sort of resolution you want, you can go ahead and choose the correct one. You can also choose the format that you get to use it in. So it's between a PNG or an SVG. The SVG is paid, however. And then there's an option of color if there is let's just have a look here, something like this. All right, you'll have the option to choose what type of color you can actually use here. So if you're choosing red, perhaps they'll all go to red, and you can choose the icon appropriately. Now, the way you do this, so simple. All you do is click on it, give it a second, and it will now appear on your page. Here it is, and on the right hand side, once you click on it, you can now change all the properties of this icon.